In this video, I'll show you how to change the number of columns on collection pages in Shopify Dawn theme. By default, product grid on collection page is set to 4 columns, just like you see on the screen, but we can adjust it to a maximum of 6 columns. And in this video, I'll show you how to make this change. So at first, let's log in Shopify admin account, and then select online store. Locate Dawn theme, in my case is version 15.2.0, and then select customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on homepage, and then select collections, default collection. Now make sure to set the view to desktop right here, and then click on product grid. Now within the product grid settings, look for this option, number of columns on desktop, and you can use a slider to change them accordingly. I believe you can go from 1 column to a maximum of 6 columns right here, and I will just leave it at 6, and then let's save the changes. Now this change was made for desktop view only. Now let's change it to mobile. For that, let's switch to mobile view. Now let's scroll all the way to the bottom. There should be a mobile layout right here. As in my case, it's set to 1 column. Let's change it to 2 columns. And that's what it should look like on mobile. Let's save the changes once again. And let's go back to the website. Let's open one of the collections. And as you can notice on the desktop version, there are now 6 columns. And of course, let's also check out the mobile view. For that, right click and then select inspect. Let's click on the responsive design mode. And now let's change to Galaxy S20. And there it is. That's what it looks like on mobile view. So that's all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.